ready to turn your travel dreams into reality without emptying your wallet. Today, we're diving into how to use OneKeyCash on Expedia flights to unlock serious savings. First things first, make sure you have an Expedia account and are enrolled in the OneKey Rewards program. It's totally free to join on Expedia's website, or you can download the app. Once you've created your OneKey account, linking it to your Expedia account is a breeze. Simply log into your Expedia account, navigate to your account settings, and find the OneKey section. Click the link account button and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Now for the fun part, booking your flight. Search for your desired flight like you normally would, entering your departure and arrival cities, travel dates, and number of travelers. Once you've selected your flights, you'll arrive at the checkout page. Here, you'll see a summary of your booking details and available payment options. Look for the OneKeyCash option. Under the payment methods, you'll see your current OneKeyCash balance display. Enter the amount of OneKeyCash you want to apply to your booking. Keep in mind that OneKeyCash can be used to cover the cost of your flight, including taxes and fees. After applying your OneKeyCash, review your updated total and complete your booking. Congratulations, you've successfully used OneKeyCash to save money on your Expedia flight. Be sure to check back often for new ways to earn and redeem OneKeyCash, maximizing your travel savings with Expedia.